Alright guys, we're here at Cabinets Quick again today, and we're going to talk about more material stuff specifically. In a previous video I talked about Shinoki, and in this video we're going to talk about American Laminates or AMLAM. So American Laminates is a really good company for melamine. So what is melamine, right? So in the previous video we talked about boards that were made with real wood veneer and then stuck on a core. Melamine, the outside surface face is some synthetic material called melamine, and it's made real tiny thin, paper thin, and then it's made into a wood print of different kinds and then heat bonded to the core. And melamine generally is bonded to particle board core, and that's how it generally comes. Right now, this is 1/4 inch, which is bonded to 1/4 inch MDF, and this is typical for 1/4 inch backs and thinner panels. If it's a 3/4 board, it's particle board generally. And 99% of the time, it's always done two-sided. And there's a concept called balance panel, where what you do on one side, you have to do the other to keep the board straight. But that's a whole nother conversation about panels and tensions and stuff. So why do we like American Laminates? Well, American Laminates, the people there are really good. We love working with them. Everything here is made in the United States, so they get the board in and they press the boards here in the States. And they also are very competitively priced compared to other materials. So they have a really good color choice. This is just a ring of the most typical colors that are readily available, and we can get them pretty much in a few days. The thing about American Laminates and the material is there's something called ticking, where you can kind of see some faux little tiny notches. I don't know, right there, you can see kind of like there's a grain there. Those little grain indents in the industry are called ticking. And so it simulates a real wood. So this is real wood, and you can kind of see some of the ticking, if I can get the light just right. And this is fake wood called melamine. But if you're standing 2 feet away, 3 feet away, you couldn't tell if it was real wood or not. So this is about, Shinoki is about 3, maybe 4 times more expensive than this. But 2 feet away, a lot of people can't tell the difference. So that's why this is a very popular choice for doing cabinet doors or cabinet materials or cabinets that have an inside out a door, which is an exposed interior. And, I can go on and on about melamines and stuff, but we'll save some more information for other materials and other brands. This is kind of just to show AMLAM, American Laminates. If you want some more information, you can go to their site. They will send you free samples and everything. And we also make a lot of 5-piece shaker melamine doors with this material. And if you're interested in information like that, you can give us a call at the office. And for the 5 or 6 guys of you that are watching, we appreciate it. Please like and share. And if this is some information that can help some other people, please pass it along on their way. And we'll see you in the next video.